Hello viewers, how are you? Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to discuss about origin and development of science. The history of science has begun with the history of human existence. During the period of Neanderthal men of post-primitive ages, some sort of stone equipment were used for hunting for food. Paleolithic men of the old stone age might have tried to make boats, houses, and earthen pots apart from making use of crude stone arms for hunting. Neolithic men of the New Stone Age were comparatively more advanced. They knew agriculture and reared domestic animals, made houses, and lived in groups. Early Homo sapiens probably discovered accidentally or through crude trial and error. Practical arts such as firemaking, cooking, potters, weaving, building, or use of metals for making arms. By the middle of 4th millennium BC, at least two written languages had appeared, one in Mesopotamia and one in Egypt. It is also quite possible for two others had arisen in India and China. Babylonians believed that when a person was born, his character was modeled by the constellation of stars in which the sun is placed. They developed the theory of astrology. Babylonians developed mathematics, multiplication tables, and tables of square and cubes, created standards for measuring length, weight, and time. Egyptians, not believing in astrology, and they had a calendar for 365 days. They were more interested in medicine and had remarkable intellectual activity in mathematics and engineering skills. Greek civilization during 1500 BC is the golden age of civilization and is regarded by many as the highest level of mankind attained. Greeks made their greatest contributions in the fields of astronomy, mathematics, botany, physics, structure of matter, and medicine. Greeks had a great love of abstract for reasoning, philosophy, and science were the same to them. Greeks relied on observation and logical rather than experimentation. In the 4th century BC, Alexander founded a great museum and an outstanding library in Egypt, and it was the scientific center of the world between 300 BC and 400 AD. Great scientists like Pythagoras, Hippocrates, Aristotle, Archimedes, Euclid, and Ptolemy, etc., are belongs to this period. Geocentric model of planetary system was developed by Claudius Ptolemy based on the Aristotle's idea, which was not questioned for 1400 years. Alchemy, an antecedent of chemistry, originated during this period. Dark Ages. In the 4th century AD, hordes of barbarians from the north overran the Roman Empire, destroyed most of the intellectual activity on the European continent, which lasted for 600 years, is known as Dark Ages. The Christian Church started building universities in Europe by 1000 AD to educate its leaders. Gradually, intellectual centers developed at these universities. Birth of modern science. The Italian genius Leonardo da Vinci gave support to the new approaches to science through his drawings in anatomy and biological and physical scientific objects. Italian genius Galileo Galilei, recognized as the founder of modern experimental science. Heliocentric solar system was suggested by the Polish priest Nicolaus Copernicus. In the late 18th century, the development of analytical balance by Antony Lavoisier and the development of atomic theory by John Dalton in 1802 placed chemistry FM basis. Mayer and Mendeleev worked independently to classify all the elements into families. In 1895, the atomic age started in physics and chemistry, with the two disciplines becoming more and more interrelated. In 1957, Russians put the first man-made satellite Sputnik into the orbit around the Earth and began the space age. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel.